Hello there, my name is Makors, and in this video I would like to show you how to install BBS mod on Forge. A lot of people still asking about how to install it on Forge and not understanding that, well, you need a couple of extra mods. So in this video I'd like to show you how to do it. I'm going to do it in a couple of launchers, so it'd be much easier to understand. However, if you have problems with installing Forge or Fabric, you should use like another tutorial. Anyways, with Modrinth, you create a new instance, custom. So first I'm gonna do it Forge 1.20.1. Select 1.21 and then like BBS mod Forge. Create it. It's gonna install Forge. Once it's installed and downloaded, you can go to the instance you created, and now you can install content. So what you need is BBS mod. There you go. Install it. And then beside that, you also need to see if it installed anything else. No. Then you need natural connector. Then connector extras. And Forge-fied Fabric API. Oh, it's already installed. Awesome. So that's all you need for BBS mod. However, I also recommend installing Oculus. It's for shaders, and Embeddium for I already installed the type. So yeah, then you can launch it, and it should work.
Press enter to enable the narrator.
And now we can, well, oh, it's not possible to disable the shortcut in 1.20.1. But basically, let's create a new world. Super flat, game rules, these two, and create new world. In video settings, I'd also like to change the brightness to full, GUI scale to 2, and I think that's it. And now if I press 0, there will be BBS mods menu. So yeah, it works here. Installing on Fabric, it also same way. So first I'm gonna call BBS mod Fabric, and second version. I would install it in 1.20.4, but you can install it in 1.20.1 as well. To create new one, install content, then BBS mod, install, then also Sodium and Iris. Sodium and Iris aren't necessary, however, it's useful to have them. The Sodium would optimize the game and Iris would allow you to use shaders. So play, now it's loaded.
Press enter to enable the narrator.
Yeah, narrator hotkey off, continue, video settings, UI scale 2, brightness full, 60 FPS. Let's create a new world. Now it's another world updates. And pressing 0 opens the BBS mod tab. That's it for Modrinth. Let's also try it on MultiMC. So I'm gonna create a new instance. First for Forge, so it's 1.20.1. Then BBS mod. Okay, and then I'll change it to TNT. Now, edit instance, install Forge. Okay, now launch and see if it works. While it launches, I'm gonna download the BBS mod version for 1.20.1 and also all of these guys for, let's see, download 1.20.1 or yes, download, then go back, Sinitra connector, version 1.20.1, download, and connector extras, download, Forge version 1.21, download. And now we have all of these mods added needed
Press
for...
enter to enable the narrator.
Okay. Yes, it works. Alright, now we also... It's probably a good idea to download Oculus and Embedium for 1.20.1. Now, I can take all of these mods and grab them and drag them into here. Let's see, loader version. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's launch it. We have BBS mod, connector extras, Embedium, Fabric API, which is Forgified Fabric API, and Oculus. It's launching another window, but because it doesn't let me drag it into the second monitor window. It's loaded, and by pressing 0 key, you would see that BBS Mod's dashboard is working. Yay! And it's on MicroForge 1.20.1. Let's do the same thing for Fabric. So for Fabric, let's create a new instance. 1.20.4 and like skeleton. BBS Mod group, yes, correct. Now edit instance. Install Fabric. Okay. And BBS Mod 1.20.4. Iris for 1.20.4. And Sodium for 1.20.4. And Fabric API for that. Fabric API. Download this one. Whoa. Oh, it didn't update. This one. Alright. Now we can grab these into the edit instance, loader mods, and let's see. So BBS 1.20.4, Iris, Sodium Fabric, and Fabric AP for 1.20.4. These for like only for BBS mod, only Fabric API is required, but Iris and Sodium are recommended for optimization and shaders.
Press enter to enable the narrator.
And now, and by pressing 0, I should see BBS mod dashboard. Yay! So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I think you should be able to install BBS mod either on Forge or on Fabric. Thank you for watching and goodbye!